This could also be a level 2 question. The question states, Amit is chasing Anant in his car on Mumbai-Pune expressway. He observes that when he is just 100 meters away from a dark tunnel, Anant has already entered the tunnel and covered some distance inside. When Amit just emerges from the tunnel, he can see Anant 80 meters ahead of him. Amit is driving at a speed 12.5% faster than the speed at which Anant is driving. What fraction of the length of the tunnel Anant must have covered when Amit was 100 meters away from the tunnel? Now, let us assume initially that the length of the tunnel was x meters. And when Amit was 100 meters away from the tunnel, Anant had already covered a distance of say kx meters inside the tunnel, where I can say k is a fraction such that 0 is less than k is less than 1, because I know that Anant was inside the tunnel. Now, what I know now is that since the time taken is the same for both, thus the ratio of the distances should be equal to the ratio of the speeds. Now, at the end of the question, what we find is that Amit had just emerged from the tunnel. That means he had covered the 100 meters that he required to reach the tunnel and had covered the entire length of the tunnel. So he had covered a distance of 100 plus x. On the other hand, Anant, who had already covered a distance of kx inside the tunnel, covered a distance of x minus kx, which is the remaining distance inside the tunnel, and a distance of 80 meters, which was basically the difference between their two distances once Amit emerged from the tunnel. Thus, Anant has covered x minus kx plus 80. Now, the ratio of these distances should be equal to the ratio of the speed since the time taken is same. Since Amit is driving at 12.5% faster than Anant, it means that Amit is to Anant is 9 is to 8 when we talk about their speeds. Now, cross multiplying from here, we get 800 plus 8x is equal to 9x into 1 minus k plus 720. Which means, bringing it over to this side, I get 8x minus 9x into 1 minus k is equal to minus 80. In other terms, x into 8 minus 9 plus 9k is equal to minus 80, which means x into 1 minus 9k is equal to plus 80, multiplying both sides by minus 1. Now, from here, what I can observe is that x into 1 minus 9k that I'm getting is positive, or in other terms, I can say that x into 9k minus 1 is equal to minus 80, which is less than 0. Now, since x into 9k minus 1 is less than 0 and x is distance, I know x can't be less than 0. So that means 9k minus 1 is less than 0, which means 9k is less than 1 and k is less than 1 by 9th. Hence, in this case, the answer will be option D,